I often wonder if I've made the right choices in life. Seeing where I am today, I know this is exactly where I should be. Business to me is about creating innovative ideas, solving challenging problems, and making a difference. At SP School of Business, we embark on an enriching journey of business and enterprise to prepare us for the global stage.
Beyond just understanding numbers, we seek to exhibit professionalism in our work through upholding integrity and ethics. As future professional accountants, we understand our role in adding value to any organization we serve. With the right amount of guidance, we're able to develop ourselves as both competent and reliable solution providers to meet the demands of the business world.
People are the most important asset in business. With relevant skills and knowledge, both in human resource management and psychology, we strive to bring out the best in every individual. At the Diploma in Human Resource Management and Psychology, we're on our way towards nurturing the people who develop people.
At the heart of the Diploma in Banking and Finance is rigorous practical training, industry-relevant practices, and familiarizing with real-world experiences. We hone these skill sets to equip us well before we step foot into the world, filled with limitless possibilities.
Here, at SP School of Business, we're designing business to define tomorrow. Are you?